and cut this bits off and start from scratch. Because realistically, they're not really where we need them now.
No.
Because we're putting it angled. It'd be alright if it was going
Well, it's going to have to be angled, aye. It's going to have to set at some kind of angle to push the snap away.
They would work.
Aye,
but because it's gone like that,
aye.
we can't, we've got to have it fucking take these bits off.
Aye. Right.
The best thing is it's Friday.
It's what?
Friday.
Aye.
So there's no kids at school tomorrow.
True.
So I can get a bit noisier tonight. I'm quite respectable. Everybody else can.
Aye, but nobody really worries anyway.
But I try to be respectable just because it's my neighbour, can.
Aye, of course.
And that's what I said to Mandy. That's one advantage I'm looking if we do buy a house and get a big shed.
Yeah.
Having a fucking, show me, you coming over? Aye, Claire, he's coming with me, son. Come for a cup of tea, son. We've gone up the shed. Yep. Boom, can.
Yeah, I've got
3
you.
o'clock in the morning. Mate, fucking, oh, well, it's 11:30, can't I can't start it.
Aye.
Because I wanted to start this last night. I come out and put all the fairings. All this sits immaculate.
Aye.
Because there's it there. Look, no. There. That's all solid. Once that's all bolted together, that fucking...
Did I split? Is that me?
No, you fucked the other fairings. That's the originals.
Oh, it's the originals, aye.
Yeah, I cracked it there last night because I was just wanted it off so that I could put my handle in.
Okay.
But when that's sitting on, that sits flush against everything. You see the cracks, but you don't realise it's cracked all the way
and
through.
it looks nice with that stitch work done.
Yeah? But because I needed the handle to come up,
Aye.
I've done it like that. Like, look, I've even managed to keep my fucking foot guard and put it on, bent the fucking old guard round.
Oh, okay, okay. Are you just cutting them off?
Aye.
Aye, cut them off and we'll start again.
Yeah, because we're going slanted.
Aye.